The wave stitch is a lovely and rhythmic pattern that adds texture to your knitting. Here's a simple version of a wave stitch pattern. Let's start the pattern. Take multiple of 8 stitches. In the first row, purl 2 and knit 6. Now in the second row, purl all. Repeat row 1 and row 2 for 8 times. In row 9, knit 2 stitches and purl 6 stitches. Row 10, purl all. Repeat row 9 and row 10 for 8 times. This pattern creates a beautiful undulating wave effect, especially when using contrasting colors or textured yarns. Feel free to experiment with different yarns and colors to customize the look of your wave stitch project. Happy knitting!